Hello everyone. I hope you all are well and making progress in life. Here is Priyanshu and welcome to the Infinity Mind. So today I will be solving best time to buy and sell stock. This is an easy problem. The problem says you are given an array prices where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, then return 0. So the question is saying that we have to buy a stock at one day, at a single day, and we have to sell on the different day in the future. Okay, now from the example one we can see the prices array is given, and the explanation says that we can buy on day 2, that is this one. So buying price will be 1 and selling price on the day 5, that is selling price is 6. So the profit will be 6 minus 1 equal 5, and we have to find this maximum profit. Now how can we find the maximum profit? The first brute force approach is to check all the possibilities, buying every buying at every day and selling it at every possible day of the in the future. So this one is the very brute force approach. This will take high complexity of big of n square, but we can optimize it. Think of it. We What is profit? Selling price minus the buying price. This is the profit. Let's say we sell at this day. Here the price is 4, and now we have to choose the buying price such that we can maximize the profit. So what uh, can come into my mind, that which price should I choose to buy for among the prices array before the day I have sold it. So I have to choose the minimum B. I have to find the minimum price. I have to keep the B minimum. So I will choose from the starting to the up to the day which I have sold, day minus 1. Day is, suppose I have chosen this day. Here the selling price is 4, so I will choose the minimum among this 71536. So the minimum is 1. So if I sell at this day, the price is 4 and the minimum is 1, so here the profit will be 3. So this way we will find all the possibilities. Suppose we sell at this day, the price is 6, and we will find the minimum in the prices array before this day. So again the minimum is 1, we can see. So the profit is 5. So we have to find the maximum one. So here we can see the maximum profit is 5. So far we need to maximize our profit by buying at the minimum price and selling later. So our logic is to uh, uh, keep the track of the minimum buying price and selling at each day, okay, to check the profit and track the maximum profit, and we will return that maximum profit. So let's go through a dry run. This example is given 7 1 5 3 6 and 4. So our let's maxi variable will store the maximum profit. So I'm taking starting maximum profit as 0, because the minimum profit can be 0 because I buy at the same day and I sell at the same day, because in the question is also given, if we cannot achieve any profit, we can return 0. We don't have to return the negative profit. Now starting from here, we will also keep the minimum price. this for above for the, this is for the profit. Okay, and we will keep the track of the minimum price. Minimum price will, we can say that, let's take the first element only. So for now the minimum price is 7, and now we have to sell it, so we will sell obviously in the future. So we will start from the 1th index. So here we can see the minimum price is 7, and if we update the, we will also update the minimum price found so far. So we come here and we found the minimum price is 1, so we will update the minimum price with 1. And also now we will check the profit. So profit will be selling price minus the buying price. So selling price is 1, and the buying price we have to uh, keep the minimum. We have to take the buying price minimum, so we have stored the minimum buying price. So we will say the minimum buying the selling price is 1, and the minimum buying price so far we have found is 1. So the profit here will be 1. Oh sorry, the profit will be 1 minus 1 is 0. So we will also keep updating the maximum profit we have found. So 0 will be 0. Okay, this we will update with 0. Okay, this is 0. Now we move ahead here. So our selling price is now 5. So now our profit will be selling price minus the minimum price, minimum buying price, that is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we will update our maximum profit, that is 4. Minimum price, but minimum price so far is 1. Next, our selling price is 3. Our profit is 3 minus 1, that is 2. We will update our maximum profit. Okay, it's already 4. Now our selling price is 6. Our buying price, minimum buying price is 1. 6 minus 1, profit is 5. So we will update the maximum profit. Now 4, the selling price is 4. The minimum buying price is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So we can see we will not update 3 here because 5 is maximum. So we can see the maximum profit we have achieved till now is 5, and the answer is also 5. So this was the whole logic. So logic is just keep the track of the minimum price for buying, and just check the profit at each selling price, and keep the track of the maximum profit found so far, and we will return at the last the maximum profit found. So if I go to the implementation part, so first of all I will say the say n is the size of the array. Now what I said, we will keep track of the minimum price found so far, and this will be, let's say this is our starting element, and the max profit found so far. The minimum profit will be 0 because the question is saying, and okay, this question is saying the minimum profit will be 0 according to the question. Now what I said, we will keep moving from the 1th index because we have to sell in the future. Now what I said, we have to first keep track of the minimum price found so far. So minimum price will be the minimum of mini price and the prices of I. So this will update the minimum buying price, and also we have to keep updating the max profit found so far. So what will be the max profit? So max of max profit and profit at the current day will be the selling price. Selling price is prices of I minus the buying price. buying price, we have stored so far the minimum buying price. So at last we will just return our answer, max profit. Now if I run the sample test cases, now if I submit it, okay, let's see if we are able to pass this all the test cases. Yes, we are able to pass all the test cases and we have solved this problem successfully. Now if I talk about the time complexity and space complexity, we all know we are just using one for loop, so the time complexity is big O of n and the space complexity is big O of we are just storing minimum price and maximum profit variable, so the space complexity is big O of 1. So this is all for this problem. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning and keep upgrading yourself. See you in the next video.